This video is to help you as a customer understand how to edit your website. When you log into your website and you're in the front end, you'll see a black bar at the top. This is only visible if you are logged into the website, but it's very handy because it allows you to edit your page pretty easily. So if I wanted to make changes to, say, the My Story page, I can click here and choose Edit Page. There's a text tab and a visual tab. If you want to see a little bit more visual representation of things, I recommend a visual tab most of the time. Text allows you to actually edit some code as well, like the actual tags and things. Let's click on the visual tab again. If I want to make a change, all I need to do is just make the change. I can start typing, say like, hello. And then if I want to save that, all I have to do is click on Update right here. Then to view my changes, I go up here to View Page, and there's the change right there. Now, we don't want to keep that word hello there, so I'm going to hit Edit Page and revert it back. So I'll just highlight it and hit Delete. We'll hit Update again to save that. The next thing I want to show you is that oftentimes we may build some pages with Elementor. Now, this page is not, but this one was built with Elementor. So I'm going to click on Edit with Elementor. I'm going to show you a couple of things. First of all, if you want to make changes to the text, you can just click right here, and you can either make the changes directly here, or you can go over here and make the changes in this box. Either one will work. I actually like this one a little bit better, unless I'm just making very simple changes, because it's easier to make bolds and do other kinds of formatting. But once you make changes, let's just say I wanted to put an asterisk here. I could hit Update, and then that will save it. So I'll hit Update. And then the way we view the page when we're in Elementor is we click up here in the upper left-hand corner, and then we click on View Page. And that takes us to the front end where we can observe the change we made. I'm going to hit Edit with Elementor again. And I'm going to go down here and undo that. Now, another thing that's important to understand is you can actually rearrange blocks. So if I want to rearrange blocks, I can grab the icon in the corner of the block, of the text block, and I can just drag it. And you'll see this little blue bar up here. This is going to show where the block's going to end up at. If I stick it here, there it is. I can move it down here if I want to. And I can move it back to where it was. So that's how you move blocks around. So if you ever need to rearrange things, there's a few other structural elements I guess you should know too. You'll see that there are columns, and the columns are in the upper left-hand corner of the box. And they're kind of gray, and they have this column icon. And that's where if I want to move the entire column, I can do this, like so. I grab here and move it back. But that's how you rearrange things and move things around on the page. Other changes you can make, let's see. Oh yeah, let me show you how to add a picture as well. Let's say I wanted to switch out this picture. So I clicked here and I just click on the image right here. I can click on it and I could switch it out for this photo right here, for example. And now it's that image. Now a cool thing I can do is I can actually hit Control-Z, that's the undo button in almost every program on the planet, to go back and change it to how it was. So anyways, when I'm done, I just hit Update, and I can go and view my changes. So that just gives you a really quick, simple overview of how to edit pages. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.